want to do some fun club level motorsport, so we found a car for $500, went and picked it up. 2006 BF Falcon with a 4-litre twin overhead cam, 24 valve 6-cylinder. They're a good engine, aren't they? They're big donk, but they're heavy and they're big, and the car's big and slow, and it's got 200,000 K on it. It's barely run in apparently, according to the taxis. Yeah. Ian's brought his trailer, so we're gonna pick it up and get it home, and we'll start trying to clean the thing up, see if we can't make it look a bit better and go a bit better. Alright, there it is, she's on. That was alright.
Just getting tailgated.
We're pretty excited to get her home and off the trailer. But on closer inspection, she was pretty rough, so we gave her a quick clean up and took her off to a specialist. Alright, we've got the BF Stunt donor car here at AU House, which is a Ford specialist, and we're going to have a look underneath the car, see if it's worth spending a bit of money on to get prepped for two-wheeling and some dirt carnacross next weekend. So let's hope they give it a go ahead and we'll get a few things done, and next weekend we're into it. The guys use state-of-the-art diagnostic tools to diagnose any problems. Okay, I'm here at AU House to pick up the BF Falcon. They've done some work on it over the weekend. And work they did. They added front camber plates, locked the rear diff, added a new ball joint and wheel bearing. So she's all set to go. She was still looking a little untidy though, so I had a bit of work to do with the rattle gun, clean up the front end. I put some lower springs in the rear because I didn't like the ride height. So that was the first evolution. We'll take it out and give it a test. A quick install of some new front brake pads and some more tidy up, and this is how she looked. And one of my favourite $5 hacks is the garden edging front splitter. Check it out. And in the cockpit, I installed an old race seat I had laying around and a brand new steering wheel. Next stop, the sign riders make this thing look like a race car. Alright, we're at Dave's place. Roof rack's on the run. He's doing me some signage as well for the old girl. Looks good, mate.
Yeah, she come up good, eh?
It's going to look good, so we'll get some classy shots. I might go to like an underground car park tonight and just get like, you know, those shots they do, play some doof music or something like that.
Yeah.
Do not try this at home. Leave this stickers to the professionals. Phew. Looking good. Not looking like a $500 car anymore. Looks at least $750. Alright, here it is, the Guy's Garage BF Falcon. We spent about $1,500 thanks to Charis Seafoods Wholesale for sponsoring this car. Our main aim is to just build a cheap car, get some mates and go out and do some club level motorsport with the purpose of spreading the word about prostate health. So unfortunately 12 months ago my dad passed away from prostate related cancers, and it's really motivated me to start this project with Guys Garage and just get out there and educate people that you don't have to suffer from prostate related cancers. So this number on the card is actually my personal prostate test blood result. It's just 0.70. We're going to get out and meet a lot of you guys and explain what all that stuff means. But look out for this car at a club event. We're going to go and have a lot of fun. Just want to also shout out to It's a Bloke Thing, the foundation that we're supporting through educating people about prostate health. These guys raise tons of money for prostate research and education. So it's great to be involved with those guys. So here it is, the BFF, I like to call it, the BF, Best Friends Forever. Look out for us coming soon, Guys Garage. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. We need all the support you can get to spread the word.